Jovan T. Augustine.
Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on logistic regression in Python using the adult income dataset. Today, we'll walk through the entire process from loading and processing the data to building and evaluating a classification model using scikit-learn. Let's get started.
We begin by importing pandas and defining the column names for the dataset. We read the adult data file using read CSV.
The SEP equals s handles spaces after commas, and nar values equals treats as missing values.
Finally, data head shows as the first few rows. Next, we check for missing values. This helps us understand if any preprocessing is required before feeding data to the model. We drop rows with missing values to ensure a clean dataset. In real-world scenarios, we might prefer imputation, but for simplicity, we remove them. Many columns are categorical, like education and work class. We use getDummies to convert them into numerical columns. Drop first equals true avoids multicollinearity by removing the first category.
Now we separate our dataset into input features X and the output label Y, which is whether a person earns more than 50,000. We split the data into 70% training and 30% testing using train test split.
This lets us train the model on one portion and evaluate it on another. We import Logistic Regression, create the model, and set maxiter equals 1000 to allow enough iterations to converge. Then we train the model using fit.
Now we use the model to make predictions on the test set with
predict.
We evaluate the model using the overall correctness, tells us true or false positives and negatives, includes precision, recall, and F1 score for a detailed view.
If the classes are imbalanced, our model may be biased toward the majority class. We can balance it using scaling the data helps the model converge faster and can improve accuracy, especially if features vary in range. We use grid search KIF to find the best combination of C regularization strength and penalty type L1, L2. That wraps up our tutorial on logistic regression with the adult income dataset. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into SMOTE, feature scaling, or hyperparameter tuning. Thank you for watching.